I'm actually reading all the comments. So thank you all for joining the program. Let's start the program. Please join your hands, close your eyes. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we'll say Om 3 times very slowly. Inhale first. Inhale. Inhale. Relax yourself, relax your mind, relax your body. Let's start yoga session. Today we are doing anti-aging yoga. It's very important. We all need to control our age by yoga itself. We all need to look beautiful by doing this simple exercises, which is very effective. So we'll start. First, मैं आपको जो आसन बता रही हूँ इस योगा का, this we call V pose. Very easy and very simple. Middle finger and index finger just hold here. Look straight. Now stretch it downward and turn your eyeball up or look up, however you are comfortable. Relax. This is very important asana for your trophy. ये जो lines appear हो जाती है, इसको gradually we can disappear by the simple asana. This we call V pose. And every yoga asana we have to perform 3 times. So we'll do it again. Please make a V. Index finger, middle finger. We are doing all the facial yoga exercises by middle finger, index finger because it is connected with our brain and nervous system. So we'll do it. Make a V. First, hold here for 10 seconds. Try to put more pressure here. This is very important pressure. Try to put more pressure here. Now stretch it downward and turn your eyeball up or look up, however you are comfortable. Relax, release. Okay, we'll do it again. This is very important. 3 बार करना है तो 3 बार करेंगे. Make a V. These are the best anti-aging asanas. Hold here for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stretch it downward and turn your eyeball up or look up. Relax. These are very important asana. And today we are doing anti-aging asanas. So this will help you. ये जो lines appear हो जाती है by age, तो धीरे धीरे ये line disappear हो जाएगी. And we don't need to apply any cosmetic. We don't need to go for surgeries because this is something which is very natural and beautiful also. We can look beautiful by doing the simple asanas. So now second exercise, same for this lines. We'll do second exercise. exercise. This is also very good anti-aging asana. Just keep your finger here, index finger here. Now start blinking your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Guys, click your picture. So after 5 days, we are investing 5 days. So after 5 days, you will see the transformation. It's very nice. I think it's gonna be a life-changing experience for you all. So we'll start other exercises. Before that, I need to tell you something that is also very important. We do asanas. Before that, we need to do some stretches. And in face also, we please talk in both Hindi and English. Okay. So thank you so much. So before like starting asana, we should do some stretches. That is very important. In face also, we need to do some stretches. So we'll do. Keep your hand like this. We are holding all the negative positive energy. Now hold your face very tightly. Release. This is the first anti-aging stretch, and this is very important stretch. In this, we are contracting. There are 57 tiny muscles. Muscles will get contracted. Your blood circulation will improve. It stimulates your nervous system also. So this is very important. So we'll do it again. This is very important anti-aging stretch. We'll do it. Keep your hand like this. Hold all negative positive energy. Now just hold your face, squeeze your face very tightly. Relax, release. This is very important pressure. This will help you to control your age. So we'll do it again. Last time. Again, hold it for 10 seconds. Just squeeze your face. Relax. This is very important. It increases your blood circulation also. Face yoga. What is face yoga? Face yoga is a combination of exercise, acupressure, and massage. We like we go for parlor, we do massage. मैं सबको यही request करूँगी. We have started face yoga, and so no need to go parlor or no need. Ma'am, how long should we do? 10 second, 15 second, 20 second, gradually you can increase it. So we'll tell you the best massage that you can do while मेरे को देख के भी आप लोग कर सकते हो. It's very simple massage. Beauty at your fingertips. Simply just keep your finger like this. Try to. This is very important. This will help you to increase blood count also. Okay, just relax. Whenever you find time, please do this. This is very important, but do sanitize your hand before doing this. So now we'll tell you the second stretch that is also very important, and spine erect. Always try to sit straight. Very important. Too many things we got recorded video, please. Okay. Now look up. Look up. Shoulders straight. Look up. Relax. This is also very important pressure because face को हम control करेंगे, साथ में neck को भी sagging हो जाता है, उसको भी control करना है. Now second, look to your right, look to right side. Shoulders should be straight. That is very important. Left side. Relax. This will help you to release your pain from shoulder also. We only need to hold it for 10 seconds. And this is very important pressure. We'll do it again last time. This is very important pressure for the sagging. So we'll do it. First, shoulder should be straight. Now look up. Relax. Breathing should be normal. Now right side. Left side. Hold it for 10 seconds. Shoulder should be straight. Your body should be straight. Relax. Okay. So now we'll tell you the stretch. This is very important stretch. मैंने आपको बताया कैसे करना है. Now we need to exhale. While doing this stretch, we need to exhale for 10 count. Very simple and very easy. This will help you to clear all the bad toxins from your body, from your face, and you will get instant glow by doing this simple kriya. Now look up. Exhale. Relax. Very simple and very easy. We'll do it again. Right side. Exhale for 10 count. Exhale. This is very good for spondylitis also. Now same left side. Exhale. Relax. Just relax yourself. So this is the second anti-aging stretch. So please do it whenever we start exercises. Do the stretches before. These are very important stretches. Now we'll tell you one very important thing, because एज को जब हम कंट्रोल करते हैं तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये होता है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, हमारा बॉडी भी, हमारा क्लेंजिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लेंजिंग सिस्टम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द बेस्ट क्रिया. दिस वी कॉल्ड महाक्रिया. Mahakriya is very good for your overall body. This will help you to clear all the bad toxins from your body. And this is the best Kriya because my weight is 50 kg from last 10 years. My weight is very much controlled. So by doing this Kriya only. So please do this Kriya. This is the best Kriya. This is Kriya for anti-aging also. So we'll do this Kriya. Please keep your hand like this. Now inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come forward. Now exhale. Relax, come up. एंटी एजिंग की बात करते हैं, वी नीड टू फोकस, हम फेस पे तो फोकस करते हैं, साथ में बॉडी पे भी फोकस करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो प्लीज डू दिस क्रिया, दिस इज द बेस्ट क्रिया, महाक्रिया, and this is anti-aging kriya also. And my age is 32. I'm doing yoga from last more than 19 years. People, please repeat. We'll tell you after, like, let me finish this session. We'll tell you the kriya also. So now we are doing anti-aging asanas. So मैं अभी आपको second बताऊंगी, smile smoother. Like ये जो lines appear हो जाती है, how we can control this line also. This is very simple. What we need to do, make a O and hold. O, relax. This is very simple and the best asana to control these lines. We'll do it again. Now make a O and teeth should be hidden. Make sure about it. हमारे teeth hidden रहने चाहिए. So make a O and hold. O. Breathing should be normal. Breathing को hold मत कीजिए. And this is very important for the lines. So we'll do this again because कोई भी फेस योगा की एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, 3 टाइम करना is very important. So we'll do it again. Now make a O and hold. Properly stretch कीजिए, please don't shy. Stretch, make a O and hold. Relax. Please send us the list for a routine that we can follow. Okay, sure. This is anti-aging. आज हम anti-aging कर रहे हैं. So please ये anti-aging के लिए बता रही हूँ मैं आपको सारी चीजें. Now अब हम exercise करेंगे इसके साथ में. We need to make a big O and small O. We'll do it. Make a big O and small O like this. O. Do it for 10 counts. I'm so sorry. We'll do it again. There is some network problem might be. So we'll do it again. Now make a big O and small O. First, make a big O. Hold it for 10 seconds. Start. Relax. This is very important, very beautiful asana. ये जो lines होती है वो disappear हो जाती है. So कभी भी आपको यहाँ पे line form नहीं होगी और जिनकी already है वो धीरे धीरे disappear हो जाएगी. So we'll do it again last time. Now my jaw hurt. So it's okay because अभी आप पहली बार face yoga start कर रहे हैं तो it is really okay. But थोड़ा धीरे कीजिए, make it slow. So we'll do it now. Make a big O. Hold it for 10 seconds. Start. These are the best anti-aging asanas. So please do this. This is very important. We'll easily control our age by doing the simple asanas. So now we'll do other exercise. This is also very important. This asana is for लाइक आपके फेस के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है। ये जो मसल्स है, मसल्स को टोन करता है ये आसन। दिस वी कॉल्ड बलून पोज। नाउ मेक अ बलून एंड होल्ड। Relax. Hopefully you are getting stretch. If you are getting stretch, you are doing in a proper way. So we'll do it again. Now make a balloon and hold. Relax. We'll do it again. Make a balloon and hold. Eyes more wider. Relax. Face yoga you can do, no problem. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see the other areas of our face. अभी हमने अपनी eyes को cover किया, अपने nose labial folds के लिए किया. So now we'll see for the forehead lines. This is also very important. Line appear हो जाती है. उसको कैसे control करें वो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. Just hold here. This is very important pressure. Always try to sit straight. जितना सीधा रहेंगे उतने young रहेंगे. Please hold here. This is very important pressure. Swipe it. Hold for 10 seconds. Relax. These two are very important pressure. We need to hold here and we need to hold here. So now, अब इसको हम exercise करेंगे. Very simple exercise. This is the best exercise for these lines. We'll do it. Just hold here for 10 seconds. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now keep your hand like this and close your eyes. Relax yourself. Relax. We don't need to apply any cosmetic. We are very beautiful. Just we need to maintain it by doing the simple yoga asanas. Okay, so this is very important for these lines. Now, second very important thing for this line only, please hold here. Hold here. Now, second pressure, arch of your brow. Hold here. Third pressure, corner of your brow. Relax. See, ladies जाती हैं पार्लर में जाती हैं, they do threading and all. So मैं कभी नहीं जाती और मैं चाहती हूँ कोई जाए भी ना, ठीक है? अगर आप जा रहे हैं that is okay, but जाने से पहले 10 मिनट डू दिस एक्सरसाइज, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आईब्रोज हमेशा ऊंची होनी चाहिए, चाहे मेन की हो चाहे वुमेन की हो। इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्राइड। इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, लाइक आईब्रोज कभी इतनी नीचे नहीं होनी चाहिए। सो उसको ऊपर रहने के लिए दिस थ्री जो प्रेशर मैंने आपको बताया, दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रेशर। सो विल डू इट अगेन। नाउ जस्ट होल्ड हियर, अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, होल्ड इट फॉर 10 सेकेंड। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now, second, arch of your brow. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Corner of your brow. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. Just relax. These are very important anti-aging asanas. Now we'll do other exercise. This is also very important exercise. This is for the sagging. अभी यहाँ पे भी करते हैं, sagging के लिए भी करते हैं. This is also very important part. Please need to get recording. Okay, network is. We'll share your recording also. So we'll do now exercise for the sagging. This is very important. Face को तो control कर रहे हैं, साथ में neck ये भी बहुत important part है. So it's very easy. Now look up. Keep your index finger here. Relax. What if you get pain in the back of neck? So please do it slowly. If you're getting any pain or anything, do it slowly. But these are the best asanas. We are doing yoga. Try to hold it for 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Your pain will get released by doing the simple asanas. Okay, so we'll do it. Now, just look up. Shoulders straight, look up. Okay, now we are doing exercise. We can say Om also. We can say Om. We need to say Om 3 times. Look up and say Om for 3 times. First inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now say Om. Relax. We'll say again. Say again. Relax yourself. This is very important for the sagging. ये जो नेक पे जो लाइंस आ जाती है, फेस को भी कंट्रोल करना है और आपकी ये जो लाइंस है इसको भी कंट्रोल करना है. So these are all very nice anti-aging asanas. We'll do it again once. We'll do it again. First, we'll do for the crow face. Make a V and hold. Please look straight. Try to put pressure here. Corner of your brow. Try to put more pressure here. Yes. Now stretch it downward and turn your eyeball up or look up. Relax. This is the best asana for your inner and outer lines. Gradually it will disappear. We'll do it again. Now second asana which I told you. Keep your index finger here. We are doing all facial yoga exercises by index finger and middle finger. because it is connected with our brain and nervous system. Now start blinking your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. We'll do it again last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now, ये वाला area cover करेंगे. We are going to cover this area also. Make a O and hold. Big O. Teeth should be hidden. Now, big O and small O. Relax. Okay. Again, for your beautiful face, we'll do this exercise. This is very good for, it will tone your muscle. Very simple. Make a balloon and hold. Nice. Okay. Now for this lines, please hold here. This is very important pressure. Swipe. 1, 2, 3. Do it little slowly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. Now, for your eyebrows, this is very important part. Please hold here. This is very important pressure. Second, arch of your brow. Hold for 10 seconds. Corner of your brow. We need to put pressure. Okay. Now, last for your neck, look up. See, I'm going to do exercise. Please do observe me first. Afterwards, you can do this exercise. Because अभी हमने ओम बोला था. Exercise very easy. Look up. Now lower jaw. If you are getting any difficulty for doing this exercise, we can say Om on. एक ही तरह दोनों काम करेगा. This is very important and very important exercise for your face. So this is all about today anti-aging session. You all enjoyed it. I really want, I wish diabetes, BP, thyroid, by doing the simple exercise, simple facial. So now we'll tell you the stretches. I'm going to end this session. We'll tell you the stretches. Please do it again. Holding all the negative positive energy. We need to do this. I did know. Please do this. And so now, please squeeze your face very tightly for 10 seconds. Relax yourself. Are very important stretches for your face. We'll do it again. And this is very important stretch for anger or control your anger by we'll do it again. Tightly for your face. Now second stretch, anti-aging stretch, which I told you is very simple. Look up, keep your shoulders straight, keep your spine erect. Tight. Hey. Right. That's yourself. These are very important anti-aging set. We did today itself. Tomorrow also we will come with dark circle and double chin. Please, आपने जो 5 days दे रहे हैं, can you please show the kriya again? Yes. So we are investing our 5 days. You are there also. Please, please, मतलब आप and मेरे साथ मैं आपको महाक्रिया जरूर बताऊंगी. महाक्रिया is the best anti-aging kriya. So we'll like this. I'm sitting in sofa. I'm sitting podcast. Inhale, inhale, exhale from your mouth to clear all the bad toxins from the body. Inhale, very slowly go down. Inhale. Come on. Need to see where I'm just putting my hand here. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Very slowly, just come down and exhale. 6 count. This is all for your anti-aging. We will come again tomorrow. I actually eat sattvic. I request everyone because we need आप लोग 67 days फ्री रहें. हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. And after this fight, diet chart also. आप लोगों को जो डाइट समझ में आए आप उसको जरूर लीजिए. I'll tell you one very important thing before I take oily food, junk food. Sun is here. Sun can absorb. After 5, we have to avoid it. Drink lot of water. Water is very important. Clear all the bad toxins. पानी पीते रहिए. अपने आप को अच्छा रखिए. Come again tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you so much.